Have you seen all the memes lately about electric vehicles making weird noises? And have you wondered why EVs make those strange sounds? Unlike traditional cars, EVs don't have a gas engine and you don't hear the typical vroom sound of combustion. So technically, they can sneak up on you pretty quietly. That's why automakers add sounds to their EVs. Yes, on purpose. And it's not just to sound cool, it's the law. These sounds alert pedestrians, cyclists, and those with visual impairment. Now you could ask, why do we need a separate sound when we have tire noise and wind resistance? You're right, but that's only at higher speeds. For hybrid and electric vehicles driving at low speeds, the road safety regulator in the US mandates a minimum sound requirement. So the next time you hear an EV sound like your favorite composition, you know it's not just for fun, it's for your safety.